In the heart of the vibrant city of Amsterdam, 1990, a pioneer named Eduardo Kac was about to embark on an extraordinary journey that would redefine the boundaries of art. Eduardo, a Chilean-born American artist, was captivated by the convergence of art, biology, and technology. He yearned to create a piece that would transcend the traditional canvas, pushing the limits of artistic expression. The world was on the brink of a scientific revolution. Genetic engineering was no longer a distant dream but a reality, and Eduardo saw this as an opportunity. He envisioned a living, breathing work of art that would challenge the conventional norms of art and biology. His idea was audacious: to create a living organism with a gene that would emit a fluorescent protein, creating a visual representation of the genetic code. This would not just be a piece of art, it would be a living testament to the power of science and the beauty of life. The challenge was immense. Ethical debates raged, and the scientific community was divided. Critics questioned the morality of manipulating life for artistic purposes. Yet, Eduardo pressed on, undeterred by the controversy. In a lab in Paris, under the watchful eyes of scientists, Eduardo began the arduous process of creating his living masterpiece. He genetically engineered a green fluorescent protein from a jellyfish and inserted it into a bacterium. The result was a glowing, living art form, a testament to the power of science and the beauty of life. Eduardo christened his creation Alba, Latin for dawn, symbolizing the new era of bioart that was about to dawn. He unveiled Alba to the world, causing a storm of controversy and admiration. Alba, the living work of art, was a beacon of the interdisciplinary potential of art, science, and technology. Eduardo's groundbreaking work paved the way for a new genre of art, pushing the boundaries of what was considered art and challenging the traditional norms of scientific ethics. Eduardo Kac's bioart living forms marked the beginning of a new era in art, where the lines between science, art, and life blurred, and the potential for artistic expression expanded to the very building blocks of life.